Let's rebuild the display connection step by step. So, if your Belkin docking station isn't detecting your monitor, the issue usually isn't the monitor itself. It's somewhere in the connection chain between your laptop, dock, and display. A single weak link, like a loose cable, wrong input source, or unsupported setting, can stop the screen from showing up entirely. Many people jump straight to replacing hardware, but most of the time it's a simple configuration or connection problem. The goal here is to check each link in order so the signal flows properly again. Once everything is aligned, your monitor will be detected instantly. Let's go through it. Try these. 1. Disconnect and firmly reconnect all cables between dock, laptop, and monitor. 2. Make sure the monitor is powered on and set to the correct input source. 3. Restart your laptop to refresh display detection. 4. Open display settings and check for detected or extended screens. 5. Ensure the docking station is properly connected and powered. 6. Test with another cable or port if the monitor is still not detected.